happened to me, it was just a transition, I can say, because it was not because I was religious, it was not because I was praying, it's nothing to do with all that. I have no answers for my own things. Honestly speaking, I have no answers. Yes, I live a very controlled life where my actions are not mine, and my life is not mine. I can say that. Probably, I do not know, but I can only say that because I've always been into community service and I always had a lot towards women, especially. Maybe because I can relate to pain. I can understand women better. I can relate to pain. I can understand to women. I can understand to what a person feels. It can be a male, it can be a female, it can be anybody. But I can relate to pain, I can relate to problems, and this has been right from childhood. It's not that today or yesterday that I've started realizing what pain is. I guess it's been there within me right from the beginning. And I was always a person the way I am now. I used to always go out of my way. I always used to do things for people who I felt were less fortunate. And women especially, I would stand by them. Yes, when I was going through a lot, I had nobody to stand by me, and it's a fact. But it doesn't matter to me because I never thought of it that way. I always felt that maybe I could walk the journey alone, and I felt maybe a lot of people needed me, or maybe they needed the support which I never got or I never received from anybody. But I'm glad, I'm happy with whatever that the gift the divine has given me. It sometimes makes me, there's no point asking questions for certain things, because I just feel that, the certain gift that has been given to me, at least it helps me serve people in a better way, because these are things where you can never, these are things which you can never pay, because it's something where it's not with money. Basically, you can't pay these kind of things with money, because how much of money can I keep asking people or for anybody? There are certain things in life which we can never do with money. Money is not everything. Yes, it is a basic necessity we all need, and even I too need a lot of money. I think I am an expensive person myself. But yes, money is important, but not important for everything. You cannot cure everything with money. So the only thing is that I wouldn't go asking people that, I need money for my trust or my foundation and things like that. Yes, but I do have a couple of people who do go out of their way and come forward and help. But I don't go around asking money for my foundation, because that's not me. Again, the only thing is I thank God, because this gift that is given to me is something where I can help so many people, and for this I don't need money. I don't need to ask anybody money. So I guess that's the only thing that I feel happy about. Questions? Yes, I do have a lot of questions, but I have myself no answers for it. This is true. Healing? Yes, there is nothing. There is no prayer. There is no prayer, and I don't know what do they normally do in healing. Actually, I have no knowledge of all those things. Neither do I have the knowledge of anything, religious or spiritually, nothing. So I guess whatever I write or whatever I think of, it is not because I write or maybe I have copied or I have done this. No, it's not that. I do agree that, a lot of things that I say has been written maybe generations back and years back, and it's been told maybe hundreds of times by so many people. It's not just me, but to know about it, what anybody said, or to know about what it is all about, it's not something that I go around searching and copying and pasting and things like that. I guess it is more or less it is that way because it just comes. Sometimes I get messages in my inboxes and things like that. Yeah, I agree that it must be written somewhere, but it's not that I don't have the time. I don't think I have the patience to even read a book. I don't even have the patience. But yes, I am grateful to God for whatever it is, because I am a person with a lot of compassion for people, and though I may be not reachable to a lot of people and people can't get access to me very easily, it's not because I am not accessible, it's because of my healing. And I do healing globally, it's true, but then again it's not in me, it's not me, it's the power of the divine which controls me, which controls my life. And my life is not mine, I can tell you that. And I have no control on anything. I don't even have control on my talking. So it's not that I choose who I want to heal. It is chosen by God. I cannot choose. Even if I choose to say, okay, fine, let me do something, it's not me, it's not in my control at all. This is why I keep telling everybody that if you really need something, just think about it. Maybe probably the will and the want to meet me or to take the healing from me can connect you to me. Because normally I connect to people and I want to connect, but then I can't get connected. Maybe there's a cross connection and I get connected to the person who I don't even know. So as I said, it is not something to do like I sit in the middle of the night or I pray, or somebody asked me that am I doing black magic. No, I don't even know black magic. I'm not aware of even white magic. All I know is that there is a power which is given by God, and I just do it, and I can do from a distance, and it's not learned by anybody. If you ask me who is my teacher, trust me, I don't owe it to anybody. There is no teacher, because my teacher is only the Almighty. I have